Thank you for tuning in and welcome to Night Errant. I'm Mother Nickel and I'm here with
Tempo.
And today we're gonna talk about trolls and trolling. So today we hit 1,138 subscribers.
Magical number.
Yeah, 138. And as of now we have only had pleasant discussions with our viewers. We love our viewers. Thank you.
Yeah, you're all awesome.
You're awesome. But we imagine that we are getting
a critical mass.
Yeah, critical mass big enough to actually we should probably expect trolls anytime soon.
Yes.
So what will we do with these trolls?
We will be prepared.
We will be prepared.
Yes.
Because we are proper scouts.
Yes, we are. I don't know if you are, but I'm not a scout.
I used to be.
You have?
Yeah. And funny story, in Denmark you have to have a scout name. My scout name was Troll.
No! Oh my god, that is so funny!
So actually, full
Really?
circle. Yeah,
Full circle?
I took the same name as my mother had when she was a scout, and it was Troll as well. So really, full circle, Troll. Yeah, but
That's interesting.
no, it's kind of sad. But then again, my
It's
mother
not
is
sad.
awesome.
Yeah,
So-
your mother is awesome.
But yeah, this is all theoretical.
Yes.
Because we have not yet encountered trolls on the channel. But of course, being, surfing the internet and such.
We might have encountered.
Yeah, we are familiar with the concept, let's just say that. And I have a dream.
Oh my god. Big words.
Yeah. I have a dream. So, but you know when some people offend you, and hours later you know what you should have said.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have the same thing with trolls. I imagine that, and perhaps this is easier in the comment section than it would be face to face, because let's face it, I'm not sharp like that. But I imagine that if I'm getting trolled, I would be able to troll the troll. So if someone asks us, something trolly, then I would just straight face take that person serious and not get ignited. Because that's what they want, right?
It's totally what they want, I think.
Honestly, I don't know. I'm not a troller. Troll. I'm not a troll myself.
You're not trolling.
But that's what I imagine I would do. We have had a bit of a taste of trolling, so there is a close group for YouTube wargamers, and we ask for questions. And one of for this show we did Errant letters, and someone were asking for kissing. We want to see kissing, and how do you respond to that? Because obviously it is somewhat trolling.
Yeah,
I mean, I know the guy who posted the comment, and I like him a lot. So not really trolling, but had it been anyone else, then it would. Yeah, I guess
trolling light.
Trolling light.
Yeah.
Trolling decaf.
Oh my god, decaf. That's not
trolling.
a concept you should go into, by the way.
No, don't go there.
No.
Don't go there.
It's just... Anyways. Yes, there was trolling light about the kissing thing.
Yeah.
But why don't you make out? Okay.
But okay.
So.
Let's face it. We made a show, 2 female wargamers, and the concept was getting ready for girls' night out, and we would take any questions, and we would welcome them. So I guess we kind of asked for it.
Did we though?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah. Okay.
And and I really want to think that I will take the trolling head on and just
Yes.
troll them back, but I know that
But not
trolling
in
can
front
be that bad that the only proper answer is silence.
No. Maybe silence isn't the best way to go.
No.
But taking the very trolling serious question, like serious,
Yeah.
and say, well, why don't you make out? And then say, well, this is why we don't.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
that is a way to close down a troll, I think. Maybe.
Maybe.
Of course, a real troll would probably troll on.
Probably. How to close down real trolling, proper trolling. I'm not sure, because
Maybe
trolls will be
logic.
trolls.
Maybe logic.
No, I'm quite certain part of the trolling is to not do the logic, right?
Yes, but if a troll is met by nothing but logic,
Yeah,
maybe that could close down a troll.
maybe.
But that depends on the troll, I guess.
And of course the subject.
Of course.
But, well,
Hence the pillow fight.
well, someone asked for a pillow fight as well, and I'm guessing we would actually do that if that part of the house were picturesque. And it's
Yeah,
not.
and if like we could do it in a very cute way.
Yeah,
But I know I will go bonkers because I don't lose pillow fights.
and
Not
well,
even pillow fights. What?
I'm still gonna defeat Tao this season.
Yeah, that's another topic for another time. We will see about that. Yes.
But yeah, I think that probably answered. What will we do when someone trolls us? Well, if they ask for a pillow fight, if we could, we would actually do it.
Yes, that is
Yes.
the exact.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have just figured out what to do.
Yeah.
If you ask for it, we will fucking give it to you.
We have bigger balls than you.
Yeah, we do.
We do.
Yeah.
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 We'll do it, and we'll do it
In our way.
in our way.
So you troll out there will just be
and
like.
if you are a troll, you probably haven't watched this far, so this is pointless, and we are only left with the hardcore fans, and we love you.
Yes, we
guys.
do. Because
But-
you're awesome.
Yeah, and don't start trolling.
No, don't. Only if it's in a good spirit and in irony of this
And-
content.
If you want a
It's
pillow
very
fight,
very meta now.
we need we need new pillows. But
Fluffy.
fluffy,
Yeah,
pink and fluffy.
Yes. I could totally take you in a pillow fight, by the way.
Yeah, but yeah, you could.
Yeah, I could.
Yeah,
Because
I'm so scared of you.
and I'm gonna wear war paint.
You're gonna wear
Yeah.
what kind of paint? Black stripes or something?
Maybe pink, actually.
Oh, pink.
Yes.
Pink and fluffy.
Maybe.
Pink and fluffy.
Pink and
Okay, so well, then we need to have candy floss.
Oh, I love candy floss. It's the best.
hate candy
I
floss.
fucking love it.
So pillows and candy floss and black war paint. Oh well,
Or
pink
pink, or any
pink.
color of your
Oh,
choice.
just war paint.
Maybe purple. Start wearing purple.
Start
Wearing purple, wearing purple. Da 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 da.
Wearing purple, tell me now.